Let me show you how to adjust the camera position on these E99 and E88 drones. So on the top here on the front you can see you have over here one camera, and on the bottom here you have another camera. So we can actually adjust the angle of this camera. So all you have to do is simply take it in your fingers and simply, as you can see, it's extremely easy. So at first I was like kind of worried, and I didn't actually knew you could actually like change the direction of this camera and how it points. So simply find for your application for what you actually need. So for example, maybe if you're flying forward and you want to track something like what's happening right in front, make sure it's positioned like this. But if you want to film something like what's happening underneath, simply again take your fingers and simply push the camera like this. So yeah, it's extremely easy. And at first I thought maybe I'll break something, but yeah, this is what it's meant to be done. Again, some of these cameras actually come with dual cameras, so you can actually switch between filming on this one and this one, which is actually pretty cool. Anyway, good luck.